This is Neil Schneider for MTBS-TV at CES 2011. I'm joined by Michael Steglick and Rainer Weiss from Natural View Systems. We just actually stumbled across their exhibit. I was enamored by what I saw, and they're joining us to talk about their technology today. Welcome to the program, gentlemen.
Hello.
Welcome. Thank you.
Now, I take it 3D, of course, is a big theme at CES 2011. What do you think of the show so far?
Oh, the show is very busy, I think, yes. I'm very surprised. We are the first time here exhibiting, and so I think it's a good issue for us.
Excellent. Now, what's the Natural View system? What are we looking at here?
The Natural View system you're looking at here is a live conversion, real-time conversion from 2D to 3D. You could put in any stuff. At the moment it's cable TV, converted live to 3D.
So Michael, maybe you could elaborate how this technology works. I mean, why is this display so special, and how does your technology fit into it?
The first is we don't need the glasses because we put the glasses on this display. This is the special, it's auto-stereoscopic display. The next is, this is a real-time converter in this display. This is the 2D content. It's in real time in 2 milliseconds converted into 3D. And it's anyone else content can playing with this display.
Okay, so what I'm gathering is it's a strict 2D to 3D conversion. You're actually just having cable content, like television broadcast content, going through the system, and it's converting it into 3D on the fly. Is that correct? Now, there's something else, though, I notice about this television, is that when I walk around it, normally stereoscopic 3D is just two views, a left and right view, but this is more than two views, I gather. Maybe Rainer, you'd like to elaborate a bit on what's happening here.
Okay, we work with 8 views so that you are allowed to move smoothly around your living room up to 180 degrees in front of the screen. So the sweet spot is minimized, and this special screen allows, in front of our auto-stereoscopic machine, allows to move around wherever you like. You could look vertically, you could look horizontally, like you like.
And what type of flexibility do you have with the content? Now, this is an on-the-fly conversion. Do you have the opportunity to adjust the 3D according to comfort or special effects?
We are working on it to produce or to allow to run stereoscopic produced material on it. We could produce stereoscopic material and run it on it, but with the oncoming Blu-ray, like Avatar and so on in 3D, we're working on it. It's much simpler for us because they only have 2 views. We only have to have 1 view, analyze it, and put it up to 8 views again, and it's running out of our system. And the special is, all the special effects will come as they are produced. So this system allows for an outscreen of up to 9 feet.
So let me elaborate a little more. You mentioned Avatar, so we are seeing more 3D content or natively produced content featuring a left and right view. Traditionally, 2D 3D conversion, it hasn't been quite as good as a full stereoscopic 3D. Is it advantageous for you to receive content in native 3D form before you go through a conversion to 8 views?
We already have received some native 3D content, and we are working on it. It's some so-called IMAX content, and so we are working on it, and we are positively could say we are 90% through.
So but is it helpful for you to receive stereoscopic 3D content versus? Okay.
Yes, it's good. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. And when will we start seeing a rollout of your product? How will it be made available?
It's dependent. So for the consumer market, you definitely have to go to put it on an ASIC because price-wise, it's momentarily running on FPGA, and the FPGA is too expensive for a consumer market.
FPGA, could you elaborate? I don't know.
Yeah, it's the machine it's running on it. So it's a very quick computer, you could say, on which the system is running. We have a data throughput of 6.53 gigabit per second. So you could imagine it's very at the limits. So if it's on the ASIC wise, I think we are looking for strong partners out of the industry because the progress would be much quicker if we have professional partners.
Now, do you see an application for this in the mobile 3D market, like for cell phones and PDAs?
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
Yeah.
And what about gaming? Do you see gaming being treated any differently versus cinema and broadcast?
Yeah. Yes. The quality is much higher because we have the information for the depth. No, it's coming from the Z buffer, and we can realize the much more depth image without screen and much more depth in the distance.
Excellent. Well, thank you for joining us. I mean, this was an impromptu visit. Thanks for joining us. We've been talking to Natural View Systems at CES 2011. You're watching MTBS-TV. We'll be back with more.